Hello everyone, how you doing? In today's video, I am going to show how to zoom video through text. You may have seen this effect in many travel and documentary type videos. Now it's your turn to apply this cool effect in your videos too. So let's get started by bringing down a solid black background from the sample color folder. Now add a plain text on the top of it. I am adding basic 6. You can adjust the time length of both text and background. I am typing mountain. Now change the font and size you like. I am selecting XO black font and 110 font size. Then take a snapshot of text and background. After taking snapshot, delete the text and background both. Now place text snapshot on the timeline first and place your video below the snapshot. Now go to crop and zoom option of text snapshot and set the zoom endpoint to lowest possible and align to the center of the text. Now at the end let's change the blending mode of text snapshot from normal to darken or multiply. You can add dissolve transition at the end of snapshot for smooth fade out. Now render the preview, and it's done. Consider subscribing the channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you.